Hi everybody, today I'm doing fantasy fudge. You can get this off the back of a marshmallow cream container. You can look up the recipe online. It's pretty simple. You need 3 cups sugar, 3/4 cup butter, 2/3 cup evaporated milk, 1 12-ounce package of chocolate chips, 1 jar of marshmallow cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of nuts. Now, I've got my butter in a bowl already, and I'm going to melt my butter's been melted. We want to add the milk and the sugar. So, let's get the bowl out. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to get the milk and put it in the bowl. And now for the sugar. Everything looks like it's simple until I get doing it, and then I'm all flabbergasted. So, here's 1 cup. Two cup. Three cup. Now you want to take the time to stir this just to mix it up, make sure the sugar's mixed in there, and then you're going to throw it back in the microwave for a little bit. Let's see, we will put it back in the microwave for 5 minutes and stir after 3. So I'll be back in just a minute. Now that it's been 5 minutes, I've stopped it at 3, stirred. Now I stop at 5 minutes are up, and I stir again. Except for this time, I'm taking the bowl out. It is extremely hot. Be careful. Now you put it back in the microwave for 5.5 minutes. Stir after 3. Now after 3 minutes, we stop and stir it. And as you can notice, it's starting to get really hot. So please make sure you use safety extremely with glass bowls. They get extremely hot after being in the microwave for about 12 minutes now. It's almost done. And then we'll add in the chocolate chips. Timer has went off. And the mixture is extremely hot. I mean, I've watched my mother-in-law do this a lot, and it's not that hard to burn yourself. So, now we take the chocolate chips and we put them in the bowl, and you'll want to mix it up until they're all melted. Those went off, and the mixture is extremely hot. I mean, I've watched my mother-in-law do this a lot, and it's not that hard to burn yourself. So, now we take the chocolate chips and we put them in the bowl, and you'll want to mix it up until they're all melted. As you can see, the chocolate chips are already melting, and it looks so... I wanted the chocolate chips to myself, but I had told my husband I'd make him some fudge, so here we go. Now that it's all mixed up and melted, we're going to go ahead and add the marshmallow cream and the vanilla. You want 1 teaspoon of vanilla, And then we want to add the marshmallow cream, stir till mixed up. Now that you got the marshmallow cream all mixed up, take your cup of nuts, pour it in, and stir it up really good. Now that the nuts are in there and you got it all stirred up, you want to put it in a I'm using a 9 by 13 pan. I think it says a 9 by 5 pan. It'll be okay. It's going to work. You just put it in your pan and then you set it in the freezer till it's frozen. And that's what the final product should look like. Good and tasty and ready to eat.